Hello student, welcome back to KG classes. Today we shall teach you CBSE 12th Standards Prose section Deep Water by William C. Douglas. Question: Who is the author of Deep Water? Answer: William C. Douglas. Question: In which subject has the author graduated? Answer: English and Economics. Question: For how many years had the author taught in high school in Yakima? Answer: 2 years. Question: After the author was fed up with teaching, he decided to opt for which career? Answer: a legal career. Question: What is the story Deep Water speaking about? Answer: fear of water and the way to overcome it. Question: How did the author's fear vanish? Answer: with courage, guidance and determination. Question: YMCA stand for? Answer: Young Men's Christian Association. Question: YMCA pool was safe because? Answer: it was only 2 or 3 feet deep at the shallow end. Question: where is Yakima located? Answer: in Washington. Question: why did Douglas' mother warn against Yakima River? Answer: it was risky. Answer: in the beginning, Douglas had an aversion to the water because? Answer: he had a bad experience in the beach of California. Question: where did the writer go when he was 3 or 4 years old in the story? Answer: California. Question: what is haunting the author? Answer: terrible experience in the pool. Question: how did the author learn swimming? Answer: with the help of swimming instructor. Question: what did William C. Douglas desire for? Answer: to learn swimming. Question: what did the author realize while drowning in the pool? Answer: terror and fear of death. Question: what is the theme of the story Deep Water? Answer: victory in facing the fear. Question: Deep Water is an excerpt from which book? Answer: of Men and Mountains. Question: what did the big bruiser of a boy do with William C. Douglas? Answer: he picked him up and tossed him into the deep end. Question: what does deep water signify? Answer: fear. Question: who threw William C. Douglas into the swimming pool? Answer: a young boy. Question: what was the fear in Douglas' mind? Answer: being drowned. Question: at the age of 3 or 4, William C. Douglas visited the beach with his father. What caused a terror in his heart then? Answer: all of the above. Question: what were the series of emotions and fears that William C. Douglas experienced when he was thrown into the pool? Answer: mixed feelings of confidence and fear. Question: what plan did he make to come to the surface of the pool? Answer: thrilled to jump and push himself up. Question: how did this experience affect the author? Question: became hydrophobic. Question: what lesson did William C. Douglas learn from his experience of drowning, learning to swim? Answer: face the fear. Question: how did the instructor make William C. Douglas a good swimmer? Answer: with the help of ropes and belts. Question: what plan did William C. Douglas make to learn swimming? Answer: planned to get an instructor. Question: what is the misadventure that William C. Douglas speaks about? Answer: he was thrown into the deep end of the pool. Question: in the third phase of the learning process, what did the instructor teach William? Answer: to kick with legs. Question: how did his swimming instructor bolt a swimmer out of Douglas? Answer: he dispelled fear of water from him and taught him the techniques of swimming. Question: what does Douglas do to save himself in the pool? Answer: used his mind and pushed himself up. Question: why did Douglas fail to come to the surface of the pool as he hoped to? Answer: because of fear and inability to move. Question: what did William C. Douglas see deep down the water? Answer: water with yellow glow. Question: how did William C. Douglas know that he was still alive? Answer: his heart was beating. Question: he felt wobbly in the knees. What does the phrase wobbly in the knees imply? Answer: he felt weak and lost strength in the knees. Question: what was the impact of the pool incidents? Answer: hydrophobia was revived. Question: how many times did William C. Douglas try to come to the surface of the pool? Answer: thrice. Question: why did Douglas' mother recommended that he should learn